dear. 2005 Yamaha Roadstar Midnight Special. Had trouble since June. Wouldn't start after it sat for a few days, maybe even a week. Finally decided to take the carburetor off, and this is what I found. If you have trouble, this is the float, and the float pole seemed to be clean, but when I took the diaphragm off, and look at all the dirt in here, it's just ridiculous how much dirt is in there. So time to get some carb cleaner and clean this out. That's why it wouldn't start. Well, it would start and then wouldn't run. So the filter was completely dirty too. So new filter. Bike should be okay. Jeez.